I'm Eric, 75 years young. You might know the song, I Can't Get No Satisfaction. And that's exactly the problem with how most people eat today. Many people believe they need to eat all day long, or constantly put something in their mouth just to keep full energy level. I used to think the same way, and that was exactly my mistake. At some point, I realized that this constant eating didn't actually make me feel satisfied. Not immediately, but in everyday's life, this feeling of dissatisfaction slowly creeps in. So I started to change things step by step. Not extreme, not all at once, but little by little, simpler and clearer. I stopped constantly thinking about food or shopping all day long and created a fixed routine for myself. Today, I still eat everything I want, but only within a clear time window. This has two big advantages for me. Number one, it takes away that constant decision-making. When, what, how much? And number two, it saves me a lot of time not staying in the kitchen for preparation of the next meal, etc. In addition, I also take additional things like protein shakes, deliberately spread out over the afternoon and evening. For me, this has mainly changed one thing: less chaos in my head. I no longer have to constantly think about what I should eat or drink, next burger, beer, or soda. That makes my day calmer and clearer. I know some will say this is unnecessary or too strict or overly simplified. That may be true. Everyone sees it differently. All I can say is, for me, this simplicity works in everyday life. It helps me reduce body fat and keep my muscles stable in my ideal weight, without my mind constantly being occupied with it. Now, I am very much interested to know, do you live more according to a fixed plan, like 5 meals a day, or more spontaneously throughout the day? And how does that affect your hips and scale? More decrease or increase? Thanks for your comments here in my channel, and just please, visit my store, Walter Mole, for more healthy information. Your Eric 125 Longevity. Longevity.